Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you how can you fix if your iPhone is showing SOS or an emergency mode, or you cannot dial a normal number like this. So if your phone is in SOS mode, how can you solve that issue and how can you fix it? So this is a very simple task. You can just do it on your mobile phone. For this, you just need to restart your mobile phone and reset your network setting from your setting option here. So firstly, we will just check for the network setting of my mobile phone, that if there is any issue. So let me just go on the SIM management center here, and then I will go for the network selection, and you can see it is automatic enabled. You just have to switch it off and switch it off on again. So after that, the network will be refreshed. And if you want to switch off your iPhone, you can just tap the low sound button and the power button like this, and you will see a menu to slide to power off your mobile phone. After that, all the problems will be solved and this SOS will be cancelled. So this is all about how can you solve this problem. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like. We will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.